range is hot.
No, actually,
Yeah. Those two, plate rack, and then the.
what's that?
All right, you stay the course of fire, gentlemen. If you do, you may load and make ready.
He was happy that I made that swap with him. Yeah, I do. I gave him a 21 round magazine for a 17. But I was carrying this one.
Ready on the right.
Ready on the left.
It just kept digging in my back because I
Stand by. We'll call that.
3 misses.
You wanna finish out or you?
No, I'm okay. All right.
Okay.
We unload and show clear.
Okay. Hammer down. Holster.
All right, range is cold.
What number do you have?
Welcome. Very well. All right, range is high. Step forward. You guys understand the course of fire? Yeah. You may load and make ready.
The Jetsons.
Load and make it ready.
Well, did you just put that back together with the longer? Yeah. Yeah. That's fine.
Ready on the right.
Wait. Ready on the left. Oh, wait. Are you ready yet?
I'm ready.
Ready on the left.
All right, stand by. He's got a whole clip.
You got it. Hammer down. Holster.
Shooting back and forth. Warm and fussy. You may unload and show clear.
Might have to cut that one.
Hey, I'm wrong.
You know what's nice about tonight? No mosquitoes.
Oh no, I should decided to carry. That's why I brought it tonight.
I'll keep that in mind.
Right, exactly. Range is cold. No, I'm the safety. Safety officer. Okay. You guys understand the course of fire? All right, no double charges this time. You may load and make ready.
Yeah, I wouldn't stop it. I knew that was short.
All right. We are ready on the right. Ready on the left. Stand by. Go.
Kind of like he has. Front mag. Cycle, cycle, cycle. All right, clear on the left. Clear on the right, cold range. Good shooting, sir. Maybe if you hit it too close to the pole, you don't get as much
All right.
leverage.
Shooters, do you understand the course of fire? Yeah. Shoot, dog. Make ready.
I'll try the left side next time and see if it makes a difference.
Ready on the right.
I felt good with that, though. I like
Shooters ready. Stand by. Gun. Remember that hold. Remember that hold. 12 o'clock. 3 o'clock on the plate, obviously. Good. That's center. 9 o'clock on the plate, you know. Nice. There you go.
Yeah, because then if you go high or low, you're hit. See, that's what I was doing. I'd hit it and it would just...
Top, reload. If I don't know anything past, I don't know. Yep, fingers off the trigger, yep, on the frame. To be like this. Yep, on the trigger. See how there's that black spot? There you go, now tilt forward, just a slide. Back in the game.
Yeah.
Get your grip. Good. Lean forward into the full body. There you go.
Well, that's how I used to, when I was, I'd walk with it like this, but it's left in the shirt. But I used to always do it like that.
Slide forward, hammer down.
That's the same place where I pushed through these big cement tubes.
Clear on the right.
Took my earplugs out to talk to
Range
the
is called.
sergeant. I forgot to put them back in.
Okay, I'll put that down.
Hey, you promised me something.
Okay.
Shot a little bit over there.
I'm right here. All right.
I've done.
Yeah, we're not doing the far right one over here on the right. All right, shooters.
They never showed me.
Lock and load.
It was cool. So.
Yeah, no problem. Eyes on. Something to think about, okay? If you want.
One of these times, I might do it with my field carry.
So here's what you're doing, right?
Because I could still wear it up to the front side like this, but I'd have
I
to
want side catch, grab it, push it to the middle of the shirt. Get it out of the way so you get the gun. Idea being is a
He did a pretty good job too.
Slow and steady, steady as fast. Yep, exactly. Just whip that puppy back to the back. Take your time.
But that would be a real life situation.
Gotcha.
You can sleep on a sheet of plywood. Go ahead.
He just wants to give me more time to get nervous. Holy
Gotcha. Right. Either, yeah, go ready. Okay. Ready on the right. Shooters ready. Stand by. Gun.
Everybody's
12 o'clock below. Nice, easy trigger. Front side. Nice, easy trigger pull. Good.
Once you get that, once you get it dialed in, I wasn't.
Drop, reload.
I would just
Drop that
tight
man.
as long as you could hear the top of that. Let it go.
Smack them home. There you go. You're locked and loaded.
Because even when I had it further out at the range, they were only this far off. How far low left I was shooting.
Remember your hole.
Yeah, that's the.
When you shooting at top?
I was shooting the second one.
Down or top?
Yeah,
From the
second
okay.
one down.
Okay. You're good. Keep going. Good. Yep. Come back to the high ready.
Give me a second.
But also, if she hits down on that little, if she hits down on the
You're shooting up top. You're underneath. Relax. Spot up here. So
Shoot the center one in the bottom. That way you got one,
That way I got
one below it.
Oh, you're so smart. Okay.
smart ass.
We'll take it.
Still got some more. Keep going.
I know.
You're good. That is surprise. Take your turn. Third one down? Yep. Just underneath it, so we're just front side up a little bit. Just over the top end. Stop. You're out? All right, go ahead and drop your mag.
I see clear if you don't want to put back in the hole.
So clear.
Yeah, I'm not going to get it.
Is that a short one?
I got that 45.
That's why
All
I'm
right.
twisting so much.
Reholster. Clear on the right.
Clear over here.
Range is cold. Good job. Good job. All right, range is hot.
Everybody understand? What do you guys do? Are we changing the work fire?
Oh, I'm sorry.
No.
Well, I'm not gonna say I work for the state, so same difference.
Well, when I'm done with federal, I want to get a job with them.
No, you don't.
Then I have to double dip. I want to mow the lawn at the park. That's it. Give me a mower. I'll mow it.
All right, we hire out our. I work for.
Ready on the right.
Tech College.
All right, shooters
Which is
ready?
state. So.
Stand by. Go.
I wanted to make that like that.
No, you don't. Because you gotta, as a boss, you put up with a lot of gunk. I was trying to triple it by Tech.
He brought like. I don't know. I don't know. What do they call that?
What's your name? Oh. You know what it had to happen.
I was going to say you're slow, but I heard you clipping it a couple Hold up the weight.
You can wait.
Be conscious of your cataract?
I already had cataract surgery.
Oh, okay.
That's why I bought that dress. It's so much better. From the fifth stroke
Slide
on,
down,
you get a
hammer
bullet
down.
there.
Slide down. And holster.
Nothing personal, but I was thinking about doing
Clear on the right. Range is called. Over this time.
Check you guys out. I haven't been here since we got the ring.
All right, range is hot.
Hey, this is a little improv tonight. We're usually more organized.
You guys just jump around it.
Yeah, I'm just throwing names out there, you know what I mean?
Well, good thing about that.
It's a good fish, so I have one.
Ready on the right. Ready on the left.
There's always an ulterior motive.
Ready? Stand by. Go.
Beat me again.
Can you slide down, hammer down, bolster. Clear on the left, clear on the right. Range is go.
Reset!
Oh, okay. It's
All right, range is hot.
1911. I actually have a 1911 holster. Oh, okay. Oh, that's what they on there.
The other one's for a block, but I put them heads on. That wasn't Shooters ready. Stand by. Go.
Kyle and me, and then Mark and Brian, and I'll be back up to give them that for that. You'll go, you'll go. Get your shot. You want something or no? Okay, yep, you'll go again.
Ready to scope.
All right, Kyle and me.
All right, range is hot. You just make your firearms ready. All right, shooters ready. Stand by. Go. Like turn left. All right, ready to scope.
All right, Brian and Mark. All right, range is hot. Okay, step forward. You guys understand the course of fire. George, make ready. Where are you? Kurt. Okay, Kurt and Valerie. Ready on the right.
Ready on the left.
Shooters ready. Stand by. Go. Kurt, you're next. If you are finished, unload and show clear. Range is cold.
Range is cold. Battery encouraged.
You guys understand the course of fire? All right, step forward a little bit for me. Thank you. All right, you may load and make ready.
Josh, are you going to go?
I've been twice.
I know, we started our third string.
I've only been one.
Yeah, usually shooting against Al, but Al's not shooting, so
That's right. Ready on the right?
Ready on the left.
Shooters ready. Stand by. Go.
No, I think he went to go get some.
Tired yet?
Did you ever hear back from Mike?
no, I called him and it just went straight to voice. I'm guessing, because he has a lot to do with the elections.
Yeah, he's too busy rigging the election.
I hope he rigged it the right way.
Unload and show clear.
You know, the thing is though, you kind of hope that his software, if it's not ready by now,
It's not going to be ready.
yeah, then he really shouldn't be
Range
messing
is
with
cold. Good shooting.
it. That sounds good.
Yeah,
Step forward a
probably.
little bit for me. There you go.
I feel a little more.
All right, you guys understand the course of fire? You may load and make ready. Hot range, by the way.
Next round. Eyes and ears, ladies and gentlemen.
They're pretty cool for it.
Eyes and ears. Ready on the left.
Ready
Not
on the
you.
right. Shooters ready.
Not Brian.
Stand by.
That's what I'm saying. I'm looking
Go.
around and I'm,
Well, there's a couple.
It is. I'm pulling it down at the left. I'm not going to go with another one.
Watch that finger. If you are finished, unload and show clear.
You know what it was?
Oh, geez. Yeah, it's my cracker barrel. He just did it. All right, ladies, gentlemen,
Yeah, that's crazy. Switching over to PPQ. Oh, that was a PPQ.
All right. Range is hot.
I've got
You understand the course of fire? Go ahead and load and make ready.
They got a nice trigger.
Yeah, real small reset.
Ready on the right.
Ready on the left. I almost bought
Shooters
one from
ready.
my son
Stand by.
until I found this one on sale
Go.
before. This SIG. I just can't wait. 9 minutes. Longer barrel. And then came for 21 round magazine.
When I put
Oh, back strap. $47.
I got enough.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Some of the new ones they give you.
I got a Smith that they did.
That's what went around.
I struggle with it sometimes.
It happened.
When you hit them with a 45, you don't have
Yeah, I got my Rock Island 45 in there too.
Yeah. I got a left back.
I was 2 rounds short anyway. I was kind of on my own. But I didn't know if I might be
You have a shot
One of these days, I got a little tiny
So it's going to go Brian and me.
Ruger
you
L,
and
and it's mainly for like my wife concealed carry, and I shoot it just to get used to it. But I should try it out here on this range because it's so small to see if I can hit it.
Another side range.
Yeah.
And I got a Model 60 Smith, and I brought it up here. I mean, I could get a man.
Yeah.
But, you know, it's pretty. A decent target. It was a lot harder than I thought.
Think she's passing.
Outstanding.
Good.
Steve and Alan, myself.
I'm happy for you. All right, if you are finished, unload and show clear. Slide forward. Go. Ranger's cold. Yeah, it's tough. Range is hot. You understand the course of fire, you may load and make ready.
I have, well, you know, I pulled up on my.
Right. See what I did.
Ready on the left.
Ready on the right.
That starting line.
Shooters ready, stand by.
Take everything.
Go!
If you're pointing at the yeah, because
If you are finished, unload and show clear. Slide forward, hammer down.
Well, you're doing good there, call you.
All right, Ranger's cold.
I need is you told me a little left.
I would have bought another one. I looked today. He had a 38. Yeah, he said that's how the thing.
Somebody left the 45 down here on the barrel.
I put it up there, I don't know whose it was.
Okay.
I always wanted a James Bond. Same thing as mine. That's why.
Shoot us.
I find him around here.
Lock and load. Ready on the left. I can see it. Your hands. Shooters, stand by.
So hard.
Yeah.
Go.
Try to push that finger up to the trigger.
That's always double acting. I'm done. Yeah, he's done.
All right. Drop mag.
I just was afraid to get
Still
one
clear?
done as extra safety, external safety.
Yeah.
Clear on the right.
Yeah, I know. I'm still kind of a revolver guy. A fun revolver.
Slide forward. Peacock. Peacock. Holster. Ranges. Clear on the left. Get as many moves as you want. Ranges. Cold.
Everybody understands course fire?
Range is hot. Tried to get faster.
Yeah, we messed it up.
Load and make ready. Ready on the right? Ready on the left? Shooters ready? Stand by. Go! Done on the right. Are we done over there?
You guys are ready to go, yes.
Clear on the right? Range is called.
Range is hot. All right, step forward a little bit. All right. Just in the course of fire, you may load and make ready.
All right, where'd you put your mag? I got a section of wife at home. Now I got a section of guys. I decided to come pick up that bull tonight. No. Well,
All right, ready on the right.
that's why it's
Stand by.
give me more than 20 minutes.
Go.
You tell me tomorrow night? Yeah.
Would it? Yeah, I mean it.
No ammo on it to shoot out of mine. He's doing a lot better with this. He did much better.
If you are finished, you may unload and show clear. Slide forward. Hammer down.
It's slide or it's
Clear on the right.
I like the color of that.
Range is gold.
On this side, I hit a couple of plates and I went halfway in the front.
Range is hot.
When I hit him so hard that it goes down, bounce back.
Really?
Yeah.
excuse to buy that FNX that I was
Are you really?
thinking about it.
45?
No, 9.
Yeah, but it
Ready on the right.
Oh, I'm thinking of something else.
Hold on one
I know what you're
second.
talking
FN.
about. Not the free one.
Ready on the left.
All right, ready? Stand by. Go.
I've been liking that I but I haven't.
You know, choose let like 26 cents a round.
I've never owned a hammer.
1,000 rounds of it. Loaded up for the election.
Story about how practicing. No.
George liked to shoot this too.
Conservation club.
Armed citizens.
What was the thing I read? Ecuador. Sweden, every family has
Jewish man over the age of 18 with 20 rounds of ammunition. Hitler would have just been a...
I am a little low. Yes, sir.
That one to take all your guns.
Regardless what your political views, how can you not think that you committed treason?
I'm going to give you mine.
Those young girls would have to be.
Daddy didn't raise no fool. No offense.
Well, your brother, but
Who cares? It's like she broke federal law. It's plain and simple. I'm not a lawyer, but
Yeah.
yeah. Oh yeah.
It'll go in there.
Yeah.
So it just happened with the general.
Yeah. Petraeus.
But he did it to save lives.
Yeah.
She did it.
That's first I'm worried.
I tell
Yeah, he knows the
know
girl.
about her, but I don't want to commit suicide.
Yeah, I got a list of 45 people that were their friends or worked for them, and they're all dead. Either they committed suicide or they were shot.
Well, that was how they committed suicide.
So that's one guy got supposedly 3 times the back of the head.
Range is cold.
And one thing, yeah, I got a list. Okay. Everybody understand the course fire? Range is hot. Oh, does they? Shooters load and make ready. Oh, they do it every Thursday? Ready on the right. Shooters ready. Stand by. Go. Your other mag? Yeah, I'm good. Okay. Okay. Slide down, hammer down, holster. Clear on the right.
Use the light. Turn the left.
Okay, range is cold.
How did you hear about it?
Okay, range is hot. You go ahead. You can run it, Brian. Go ahead.
The funny thing is, I said I wasn't going to think. So then I got through the playthrough. And when I went to go do that one, I started looking at the back, like how's it lined up? I just got to focus on the front.
Didn't do it. Okay.
I got to get the one.
Okay, ready on the right.
On the left. Shooters ready.
Kurt,
Stand
come
by.
down, next string.
Go.
He was asking.
Nails back.
How many bullets?
He never left.
Never really here.
Oh yeah.
I need to go
Saturday.
now.
Not yet. Didn't want to
Just keep me out for now. I'll be back.
make it.
Is this 6 o'clock hold or what's the thing?
The dead center hold, I just roll left. That's just
Be an hour early.
Like it makes a difference. Like I can do that.
I'm really like. You're floating. No, I was looking. The only thing was that extra piece here would poke the shirt. Yeah, I did when I'm flush because I move it towards the back of the finger, and so it's out of the way. And that holster that I have,
Clear on the right.
it's like a neoprene.
Range is cold.
Range is cold.
So dark, you can't see your front
Just don't walk out that way.
Okay, range is hot.
That's why I got the glow on.
Well, I've got fiber optic.
This is fiber.
After I leave, I'll do it.
It's got the fiber optic and then around the edge.
Ready on the right?
So yes, many a time in the bedroom.
I got that kind of Glock 17.
Stand by.
I got light on the front of it too.
Well, my wife saw my lady. I really like now it's not good.
Shoot with a laser. It's hard to Yeah. I got one.
That's the other one that he let me borrow. You're
I got a full size, but it's got a.
He's got a real nice
Not soon enough.
I got a 41 out of the Corbin shop. Clear on the right. I sold off most of my guns when I got sick because I was supposed to die. And then I had a rebought. I didn't want my wife to use it.
Clear on the left.
We're clear on the.
My daughter.
Okay, range is cold.
That's what he was saying.
I bought 5,000 rounds from
Like 24 cents.
delivered to your front door.
Step up about a half a step. Half step back. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Range is hot.
I want like 6,000 everything.
Well, see, I bought a press and everything, so I load. But the only thing I load right now is
Ready on the right.
308. But after I started doing it, I'll never, if I can help it, I'll never buy factory ammo again because I know exactly. I
I'm good.
Slide down. Clear right.
Range is scope.
That's the nice thing about handguns. That'll give me another shot. Just
All right, range is hot.
either way.
I'm a rocker. I love
Ready?
Yeah, at a certain age, we all have to get one to come off.
Ready on left. All right, shooters ready. Stand by. Eyes on. Go.
Did he move it? Yeah.
You might have grabbed it as you. Yeah. Why have two of them? Yeah.
Go, take another section of pipe.
See, that one's mine.
Clear. All right.
Range is scope.
Can we double up again?
All right.
We're equal,
And
man.
then we're gonna tell what the fair wire.
All right, range is hot.
Shoot with your eyes closed. Shoot with your eyes closed.
Firearms ready.
make sure make this a lot.
Yeah. Plus we can clean up grass.
All right, shooters ready.
Well, down
Stand by. Go.
I remember.
No passes for good tonight. I was worried about alcohol poisoning ever so. Lisa, was she doesn't have a single memory. I don't know. Those two twins feed off each other. One begins to get drunk, the other one gets drunker. Here, try this.
It gets harder when
We're on the left.
it's dark out.
Lay on the right.
Range is cold.
I got dizzy picking up my man.
Fire, you may load and make safe. Or load and make dangerous, I guess.
So let's go ahead and make
Load and make ready. Load and make
see?
love.
Now they're starting to
Load and
load.
make war. Okay. Ready on the right.
That light casts a funny shadow too. It's fun.
Shooters ready. Stand by.
Does the light
Go.
glow?
It does.
Yeah.
And he's actually got a light
Got
on
it flashed
his. But after about 4 shots, it just starts walking.
All right. If you can finish, unload and show clear.
Well, he had his laser one day.
Try forward, hit
Years
down.
because the first one.
They're on the right.
last
Range
one
is
started.
cold.
After that, it just does this the whole time.
All right.
Oh, he's gonna run it.
Okay,
Quick
range is
sound real
hot.
quick.
Make ready.
Blue flames coming out of that. supposed to be watching the end of the barrel.
Stand by.
Not to. It's like
Go.
a halo.
All right, Ranges go.
Suppose we can clean up. Range is called.